Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to dive into the exciting world of decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs. Specifically, I want to show you the sub-DAO that we created on DAODAO.ZONE, which is called Archive DAO. This is on Testnet for now, just so I can have a little play about. This is for our Juno communications department. We're calling it the archive DAO. This tutorial is going to show you and how we're going to upload an audio NFT to the sub DAO. The reason why we're doing this is we need to create a method for recording the monthly meetings by the council from all departments, and we were going between some ideas of, okay, we'll just do meeting minutes and we'll type it all out and can share that to the community once a month. But DAODAO's got some tooling here that we can actually just record the meeting in audio format, and we can upload it as an NFT straight to the DAO, and the public can then see it. As you can see, we're on Testnet.DAODAO.ZONE. Here you're looking at our main DAO here. Okay, so earlier I created a sub-DAO. We'll do more tutorials. If you need more information or help on how to create a sub-DAO, I'll do some more. But here we go. So this will be a copy of the real thing that we'll be doing. So this is just a testing DAO. So we created the archive DAO. As you can see, recognize the archive DAO under the main community relations testnet DAO. So if you go in here, click on the archive DAO. I've done a few tests already, but I'll just create another proposal and show you the process of how we're going to get an NFT audio format straight onto this sub DAO so the community can then catch up with the council meetings. So a new proposal here, I'm going to name this audio meeting for video tutorial. Copy that there. Lovely stuff. We're going to add an action, and it'll be find category. You can search what you want, but for this case, NFTs. We'll mint an NFT. Now, the cool thing with this, once you create a contract, it remembers it. So when I come back and do this every month with the council, it's dead simple for me. I can just then go, well, here we go. That's a suggested contract. We'll use that one. Drag an image in. Yeah, sure, I can do that. Let's one I made earlier. PNG, try this. Good thing, drag and drop with that. Great stuff. So I'll just do Juno Council meeting. We'll do today's date, which is the 13th December 2023. Same as before. Okay, if you click in show advanced fields, this is what you need to concentrate on now. So when you have an NFT, you have to upload that to IPFS. You can do that on NFT storage. I used to think it takes up to 48 hours for this to happen, but Brady actually reminded me you don't need to wait for that time. You can copy the IPFS URL straight away. So that was really handy once I was told that. Paste your audio URL in there. That's it. Looking good. You can do a unique token ID if you want. This will be my fourth one, so let's do 4. All right, I've confirmed the transaction. Yeah, as you can see, my DAO has a time limit of 10 minutes for each proposal. There's a reason why I did that at the time. I think it was to do with the NFT storage, but when you create up your DAO, obviously you just have it where once you get the quorum, your proposal's then able to be executed straight away. But more videos to come shortly. I just wanted to get this one out here today. We'll come back in 8 minutes then, and when this is done, I shall go through and demonstrate the finished product. Okay, welcome back. All I need to do now is execute this. So we have uploaded the URL, the IPFS URL. We're going to confirm this transaction now. We're going to execute the vote so that it now implements it to our DAO. Take note, JCM 13th of December 2023. Let that execute. Okay, that's executed now. If we just hop on over to the Treasury and NFTs, we can see that our recent one here that we did today is now live. So pretty much we record the minutes, we upload it, and we can render it to our DAODAO page. Fantastic stuff. Yeah, happy days. So the community can now expect to see this on our main communications DAO for meetings that will occur from the council once a month. They can refer back to these meetings on our archived DAO page. And that's how you create a sub-DAO on DAODAO.ZONE and upload an audio NFT with meeting minutes. It's a fantastic way to keep your community engaged and informed about your DAO's activities such as ours. Stay tuned for more tutorials on DAO management and decentralized governance. Before we go, I'd like to extend a huge thank you to all our community for your ongoing support. Your engagement and feedback make our channel what it is. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep decentralizing.